video, I'm going to show you how I curl my hair with the GHD Gold Styler. If you want to know how I achieve these curls, then keep on watching. So before I start curling my hair, I will always use heat protectant spray. Okay, and then I'm separating my hair into two sections like this. And I'm now sectioning the sides of my hair as well. I'm taking like a small section and I'm turning the color upside down like this. And starting from the head, I'm just turning it again like this and just pull the color down. And there you have it. So you are supposed to curl your hair away from your face.